In this video, I will show you how to install and watch TikTok on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but whether you have the TCL Google TV, following the same steps, you should be able to get TikTok running on any TCL Smart TV you have. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is actually connected to the internet, and once that is done, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your TCL Smart TV. And once the Google Play Store opens, you want to head over to the top search bar over here, come over to this search input field, and then you want to go ahead and download and install the app known as Downloader. Downloader is a very popular app, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Downloader app by AFTV News over here. Go ahead and select this app and then make sure you actually download and install it into your TCL Smart TV. As you can see, mine over here is actually installed already, and once it is installed on your TCL Smart TV, before you open it up, you want to come over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your TCL Smart TV. Now this should actually be on your TCL Google TV as well. Click on the settings icon, and then you want to come over to the app section over here, select it, then scroll down again, and then go ahead and click on securities and restrictions over here, and then click on unknown sources. And under the unknown sources, you want to make sure that you actually turn on this option for the Downloader app we just downloaded and installed into our TCL Smart TV. So make sure that you give Downloader permission to install app from unknown sources, and then come back to the home of your TCL Smart TV. Now go ahead and open up the Downloader app we installed. And once the Downloader app opens up, you want to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of your TCL Smart TV. So come over to this place. Now in this input field over here, you want to go ahead and search for the app known as Aptoide TV, just like so, and then go ahead and click on the enter button over here, click on go. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you get to the official Aptoide TV website, which is basically over here, aptoidetv.com. You can literally see it. Just go ahead and click on it just like so. And once the Aptoide TV website opens up, you just want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on download Aptoide TV. Now in case you do not know, Aptoide TV is basically an independent app store that allows you to download and install Android apps into your TCL Smart TV. So basically, we'll be using this particular app to download and install the TikTok app into our TCL Smart TV. Now once Aptoide TV is done downloading and installing, go ahead and click on the install button over here. Now you're going to get this prompt telling you that Aptoide TV is unsafe. Just go ahead and ignore it, click on more details, and then click on install anyways. And finally, before you go ahead to open up the Aptoide TV app on your TCL Smart TV, what you want to do is to come over to the home of the TV, go over to the settings of the TV from here, and then come over to the app section again. Scroll down again until you get to security and restrictions, click on unknown sources, and then make sure you also turn on this option for the Aptoide TV app we actually just downloaded and installed into our TCL Smart TV. Now finally, you want to come over to the home of your TCL Smart TV and then go ahead and open up the Aptoide TV apps. So I'll just go ahead and add it to favorites and then open up the Aptoide TV app from here. And now that we have the Aptoide TV app on our TCL Smart TV, we can now go ahead and install TikTok into the TV. So basically what you want to do is to scroll over to the top search bar over here. So come over to this search bar, then go ahead and search TikTok over here. You should see the TikTok for Android TV app. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on the install button at the bottom over here. And finally, we have the TikTok app installed into our TCL Smart TV. Now I can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on open. And as you can see, the TikTok app actually works properly well on our TCL Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and watch or even log into your TikTok account on your TCL Smart TV. So I can go ahead and just click on the watch option over here. And as you can see, TikTok is now showing on my TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.